Today, one of my local chicken has started sitting on the eggs. So, which means the incubation period has started, and I wanted to put guinea fowls on it so that it will incubate the guinea fowl instead of the local chicken. So, this was the process I took. So, I've put 10 guinea fowl eggs inside. Let's see whether it will be able to lay all the 10 guinea fowl eggs. So I'm putting the chicken eggs into the other laying nest. The reason why I'm doing this is that when you put them like this, it will trigger the other birds to also lay somewhere. You see, so when they see other eggs somewhere, they will lay. It will tell them that they should lay over there. You see. I don't know. The other one has left. The one that started on it. So I don't know whether it will come back or it will come back.